I'm sure you, like me, are really looking forward to what the Chinese company Xiaomi will prepare for us in its future Xiaomi Mi Band 7 smart bracelet. It would seem that all the most important and interesting things have already been presented, but as they say, there is no limits to perfection. Now I will tell you what to expect from Mi Smart Band 7 and most importantly, is it really worth waiting for and how much it will cost. Hi, it's OZN, and before I start, I suggest you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Let's discuss the news. Recently, I've been hearing too much about the upcoming Mi Band 7 more frequently. However, there has been no exact launch date for this fitness product. Today, a well-known Weibo tipster said that the smart band will hit the market soon. Though there was no specific launch date, it is said to come along with a new phone. I should also mention that the Xiaomi Mi Band 7 will work with application for the Zepp operating system. Well, there is no specific launch date that leaves room for assumptions. For instance, I think that the wearable will be released along with the Xiaomi Mi 12 Ultra. According to the latest leaks, the phone should hit the stores on May 10th. Thus, if nothing accidental, the Mi Band 7 will be announced in a couple of weeks. The all-screen front of the Generation 6 means Xiaomi has had to do away with a physical button below the display, so you now need to use the touchscreen to navigate the screen. This includes swiping, tapping and tap holding. That's all well and good, but physical button can be useful in wet condition while you're wearing gloves, etc. Might we see a return of some sort of physical button on Gen 7? I wouldn't rule it out. A good route might be something akin to the capacitive button which can be found on some Fitbit fitness bands and smartwatches. Battery life of the current version is an excellent 2 weeks on a single charge. This has remained relatively unchanged in the last few generations, although the battery life does take a hit with advanced features. Awesome battery life is one of the main attractions of the Mi Band, and I expect this to remain to be the case in the future. Having said that, the more power-hungry specs of Mi Band 7 will put strain on the battery. Hence, the above leak points to the introduction of power modes. Switch to the battery saver mode and the band only records steps and basic information, but it will keep going for longer. The water resistant is also quite good at 5 ATM on the current version. That means you can safely swim with it. Expect more of this in the next generation. Apart from design tweaks, Mi Band 6 comes with several other upgrades over its predecessor. The most important one is something that was expected to land last year, an CPO2 sensor. This allows you to take blood oxygen measurements on demand. The current generation also brings more sports modes over its predecessor. Now there are 30 and 6 of these are with auto recognition. Other than that, there was nothing really new this year. Many had expected Alexa functionality, but this was nowhere to be seen. To summarize, we are expecting Mi Band 7 to come with a larger display with always-on option, built-in GPS, features such as Smart Wake, passcode, power-saving battery mode and more. As far as price, this has been creeping up. The current generation will set you back around $60. This price point is probably the top end of what you would want to pay for a budget fitness tracker. This is why I don't really see Xiaomi bumping up the price any further, except of course if there is an iteration with built-in GPS. If that one pans out, expect it to retail around $30 more than the regular variant. My today's question is, have you ever used Xiaomi's tech? And if so, what is your favorite Xiaomi device? Your answers, as always, you can leave in the comment section below. I will definitely read everything and I will answer the most interesting comments and give hearts from the channel. If this video seems interesting to you, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. You were watching OZN and I'll see you guys in the next one.